So I am asked so often, what is a great option that I can have before I head in for a workout that is not a smoothie, for instance, and nothing that's gonna make me feel too full? And we finally have an energy ball recipe that we can work with.
Yes.
Let's hear all about this.
All right, so this is gonna be a Matcha Spirulina Mint macaroon.
Yes, I love it already. It just has energy all attached to it.
Definitely, yeah. And we're just gonna sweeten with a little bit of maple syrup.
Okay.
But the rest of it's gonna be like almond meal that we've now used from our almond milks. So
Thank goodness.
yeah, recycling that almond meal, dehydrating it, so we have something to use.
Awesome. I get so excited to hear that because there are so many people that are watching this probably right now that make their own nut milks that are left over with so much almond meal and they're like, what do I do with this? This is the base of what you can throw into these energy balls.
Yep.
Spectacular. Okay.
Coconut.
Awesome.
And then matcha.
Okay.
Yeah, and the matcha is really going to give us that little bit of more caffeine duration. You know, it's going to like stretch us out a little bit more rather than coffee, which is a bit more of a spike.
Awesome. A lot easier on the kidneys. Perfect. And then we've got our coconut oil, which is fantastic. A really, really healthy fat. Spirulina. Can't hear enough about this stuff.
For sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then you've got the mint too.
Yes, and I have a food grade essential oil of mint. You could use your store kind of mint, but I just like the essential oil because it's the purest. So we're gonna start off with the almond meal.
All right.
And then we've got some coconut.
Spectacular.
I'm gonna save a little bit just for the end to garnish it.
Okay,
So we're gonna save a
awesome.
little bit like that. We have the matcha.
I always think of matcha tea, and I love that we're utilizing it somewhere else right
Yeah,
now.
and you look at the ORAC count of matcha too, and it's really great. So it's really beneficial. Coconut oil in our place, coconut cream.
Oh, yes.
For BC.
Yes.
Then we have the spirulina.
Good. So high in iron, really high in protein.
Yeah.
So many great elements to it. One of the biggest superfoods that's out there right now.
This one is the mint.
Oh, let's see. Oh, that is relaxing.
Now we're only going to do like 2 drops, 2 to 3.
Okay, let's see. Can you nail? Yes, well done.
And we're gonna.
We've got our. Yes, good. All right, so this is my job right here.
Yeah.
Shall we? Okay, so we're gonna hit go and we're gonna hit it on low again.
Yeah.
I think we're there.
Woo.
Okay, let's do this. It smells so good. That must be the mint, the spirulina, the matcha.
Exactly.
Everything mixed together. Okay. Wow.
Lovely.
Amazing.
So
Okay.
basically what we're gonna do now is we're gonna roll these into little balls like we've done and put into the coconut.
Oh, the leftover coconut that you had.
That.
Okay.
So with clean hands, just gonna make a little ball.
I trust you.
And then we're gonna roll it. These ones are a little bit wetter.
Okay, really nice and easy though. This is awesome. Okay. So, and you were mentioning too, we put this in the fridge afterwards, so that's probably going to give it that tougher consistency.
Definitely help it set.
That's actually really helping it right there.
Like that, and we're just going to garnish it with the goji berry.
Amazing.
And let it set.
Okay. Yeah. The magic of television. Again, we put this into the fridge for a couple hours.
Good 3 to 4 hours.
Good 3 to 4 hours. And, well, let's look at this. Perfect. Coming out from the corner. Ta-da! 3 to 4 hours later.
Yes.
Awesome. Let's get this off to the side. So this is what's been created. So again, really easy to have before you head in for a workout, anytime during the day that you're just kind of looking for that extra little bit of a snack, and a great size too.
Yeah, exactly. It's not going to make you full, but it's going to give you a little bit of energy. It's going to give you that matcha is going to give you that little kick. The mint's going to give you a little bit of freshness.
I don't know about you, but it is like to the point where I can't wait to try this.
Try it.
Okay, let's see here. It is a combo. Sorry. Mint and the coconut oil. That is really, really delicious.
Yeah.
So make sure to subscribe, to like us as well. We'd love to hear from you. And of course, for the recipe, all you have to do is just click below and you will find all the details right there. Plants out.
Plants out.